on my sleeve. Just get this degree. Nigga, I agree. But now what nigga sees, gotta meet it where it's at.
Hey. Can I do that? Is that like copyright infringement? Hey. It's your girl Sam, and I'm back with a everyday makeup tutorial today. Well, it's not even a tutorial. I'm not even gonna call it a tutorial because you don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I do. So let's call it, my everyday makeup routine. I do this pretty much every day. I like to look my absolute best when I'm walking out the house, feeling like I'm that bitch, feeling like I'm that celebrity. When I walk out the door, I want to be okay. Even with the lashes, everything, that's what I do. So I feel like everybody should feel their best when they leave the house. So I do things a little differently than some people, and you'll see that in the video. So if you want to see what I do for every day, just keep watching. With this YouTube thing, one thing I have realized, that if God don't do it, it just won't get done. It's gonna take a miracle. Oh, that's giving. Wow, I really should start this tutorial. I'm getting so distracted. Right now, I'm going in with this e.l.f. primer. That didn't work. This can't be a thing. Can you focus on the product? Oh, okay. So just went in with my primer, just spread it all around. I need to clean my makeup bag because y'all, look at this. I just throw everything in this one bag. I'm gonna go in with this Cover FX. This is a lightweight foundation. I just washed my brushes. They're a little wet, so I'm trying to like clean it off. So I just touch up the areas of my acne that I want to cover, like those spots that you saw. And then I like to go over here in this area, all down here, anywhere that I have like imperfections, which is not a lot. Just kidding. And spread it out with my finger, and then I'll just like spread it out, you know? I did not put any foundation on my forehead. I usually don't ever put foundation. I do have some acne scars on my forehead, so I am gonna take the smallest, like even smaller than what I had before. Y'all can't even see it because it's not focusing, but smallest amount, and I just like do like that, like one or two little whatever, and I'm just gonna go in like that. And people might tell you, oh, you need a damp beauty blender. I don't think that's true. I use dry beauty blenders. Mine is not dry right now because I just washed all my tools because I didn't want to look ratchet in front of y'all. But I don't think you need a damp beauty blender. All right, so this is a good base. We have a good base now. This is the NYX Professional Brow Pencil. Brows on. Now I realized that my brows are a little brown. Going with an old mascara and just like go over top of that.
I'm just gonna do that until it's to my liking.
So I'm gonna leave it there. Leave it there! So I use Tarte Shape Tape. Here I have the color Tan Deep, and then this is medium. I do my little dots from the inner going to the outer. And I also will do one right here and here, because I feel like it helps when you're contouring your nose. You're getting that like snatched effect. I put my concealer here on my sides because I have a lot of redness right there. It's probably the caucasity in my blood, way down that bloodline, the colonizers in my blood. I don't touch my chin area, just these areas. Maybe I'll add an extra dot, and I'll put a little right there at the base of my eyebrow. Base, not the base. What's this called? The arch. I'll put some at the arch. Yep, there you have it. Oh, I'm lying. I also do my nose.
I definitely do my nose as well.
I don't think you need to do the whole line down the nose because like it's blending out regardless.
Now we did. You have to push, you know, up all the way up into that temple.
With this, like, you see this like slight line there? What I do, I take my brush and I just stipulate into the foundation. Yeah, look at that. And blending it down the nose, I also blend it up into this eyebrow section, but I don't do too much. Like, I don't put any concealer up there. I try to leave my forehead as minimal as possible. Not putting foundation there just makes your face look like skin. Now, this is for people who do dewy looks. I don't know about the matte, because I feel like if the rest of your face is matte and then it's giving shine up there, it's gonna look crazy.
I'm gonna blend this up here too.
Keeping it succinct. You can't see because the label is like off, but this is the Makeup Revolution powder. Kind of scary to work with. Like, I first used it, I was like, ooh, you can't bake with this. Well, maybe some people can, but I cannot bake with this because it's just too much. Like, I use a brush, a fluffy brush, and just like pack it in like this, and I try to get as much excess off as possible because, yeah.
As you can see, it's all out, so I'm just gonna like spread it where it needs to be. All the excess on there, I'll just get the shine off my forehead. I think
So it's really important, guys, to put some powder on your brows as well, because I don't know about y'all, but my brows be moving with the oil and stuff. So I like to do that, and then it does kind of move the hairs out the way, so I'll just like go back in and just like clean it up. I use LA Girl Pro concealers just because they're cheap and the applicator is easy. I start from a little higher than so you can see my natural jawline is right here. I go a little bit above because I feel like when I'm blending it out, if I start at the actual line, it's gonna be like down here. Maybe I'm not the best at applying it, or maybe I'm not the best at blending it out, but I just start a little higher just to make it cleaner. And this is in the shade, I want to say mahogany. I lied, it's in dark cocoa. So just gonna put this on the top
of my forehead, and I'm gonna put some on my lid.
Doesn't matter where on the lid, anywhere, just not too high, because if you put it too high, it's gonna fuck up every like highlight that you just did. Why would you do that? When I'm contouring my nose, I like to start from right here in my brow section.
And I do like a little square like this. Do one of these, Cupid's bow.
I saw a trick where you take the contour and you line your lips, like the outside of your lips. So I'm gonna do that. It gives like that patty look. I'm gonna just blend that out. And when I blend my contour, I do sweeping motions, at least on my forehead. I like sweep like this because I feel like you don't want it strong. It doesn't make any sense, but it makes hella sense, you know?
That's gonna get it so nicely.
Blend down the center. Oh yeah. That is a no. That is a nose. Oh. Some of it did get a little spread out, so I'm just going to go back in with the Shape Tape, and I'm gonna put the smallest, tiniest, teeniest amount right there. When I'm blending it, I'm gonna pull it away instead of pushing it in.
Okay, I'm like going like this way.
This takes patience, because if I was just like then it would be wild. So now let's just see. Let's just try the lighter Shape Tape. Let's just see it. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna just put it on my nose right there, and I'm gonna put it underneath. See this like little bag I have? I'm gonna put it underneath that bag.
Bring it up.
And that shit is expired, so for real, if I break out, you saw it here first, guys. My snatched little fake nose. And now I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance powder.
Okay, so I'm gonna carve out the base of my nose and just follow through up into the brows.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my eyes again with this powder. And I'm gonna focus mainly on like the lid part. I'm not really going up into this area. I'm just gonna stay on the lid. And I'll even like whisk it like this just a little bit, just to give that some depth. I'm gonna go back in with the powder. And I am going to use the Beauty Blender this time to apply it. But I'm using a pretty small amount, and I'm just gonna put powder on the sides.
I'm just gonna pack it in. Do the same under my eye, smallest amount.
I do not let it bake. And I feel like putting powder in this area really brings all of it together.
I'm going to go down my nose like that.
Go in with the contour powder again, and I like to go over the cream contour that I had.
Doing like a sweeping motion. And I like to bring it up into my forehead area, so I'm like doing like one of these.
And just to make sure that everything is super blended, I'm gonna go back in with that foundation brush.
So I'm gonna contour the base of my lid. And I'm gonna do the same for the top. I really love the cheese though. Yeah, that's good enough.
I'm gonna highlight using Kiss Professional Pro Touch Glow and Bronze Powder. And this is in the shade Deep. I don't normally use highlighters this much of a gold, but y'all, look at this. Woo! Wait a minute. I also wouldn't normally use this big ass brush to be doing this either, but I mean, but y'all, do you see this? It looks so healthy. It's like giving a healthy glow, like.
Now we do my cupid's bow area. I'm going to do my chin. Let's take just side by side to side. Highlight it again, and I'm gonna go under my brows with this shade.
With this NYX eyeliner. And I start from the end and make my shape, and then I work my way to the front because like that's foolproof way of like doing your eyeliner. Like starting from the front and then going to the end of it is just like setting yourself up, in my opinion. Light pink Chi lipstick from ColourPop. To finish that off, I'll just go in with this lip gloss. You know, just play around. So that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my everyday makeup routine. It's work appropriate, it's neutral. This video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below if you have anything that you want me to improve on, any feedback from me, or just let me know how you like the video. Also, if anybody has hyperhidrosis, if anybody has over sweating of the nose, please let me know because it'd be ruining my contour. Like, it will look fine and then I gotta go over and do it again. So if anybody's struggling like me and has any tips or tricks, please let me know. If you want to know more about these lashes, I did get these from AliExpress, but I will be doing an in-depth video today. I'll be filming it sometime today of just my lash collection. I've gotten my lashes from AliExpress, beauty supply store, anywhere. So, and they're pretty cheap. So I'll be doing that video today. But other than that, thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Black dot, don't forget the P. Minding my business jejely. But that piece, it always seems to leave hard out on top. Always on my sleeve. Just get this degree.